Chitariki 25 cy'umutinyo gatano okera omwaka ni chitariki cyabe na sensengima egochengera okorasa kwa basubati itkolelera abagwatani ni gobesoke imeyorogongo rwagusi asomo yego bene bogosira abana abanyaruka nanyana bawoni go babwatuke bitamba byobochenu bunenchera yemo yogokora omochando bukuburu bitamba byobochenu singaki abanyaruka bakorasa
omaeteteri raisi ko nyora abana babonspi so to our stakeholders to akwanete na actually we are a friend to the Girl Guide Kenya. The rotindiga abune politician today I'm as a mother and as a sponsor to this program. So rere toicha ba tokakwana mona Girl Guide wakato mobilize abana from different schools egere tokore kibanyoro go semibu n'abanyagitari baregaiga and all the stakeholders about to kutumia sanitary pads. Ekia nogo komisana buna abana abaiseke abange ba komisi school asengenje bataba sanitary pads ekede baron their special days. Ekenege tokia beire documented amatuka mange but there's no action that is being done. Ono tebnante ne nkuriye kero kya bangena igonta kete kogenda bakase obisio MCS imokwanere torore ntotachaka Kenya yonstra chakera nkaga to school chonspi abana abaiseke baye sanitary pads free ekiagera sanitary pads na chire ebintu bire raisi kabisa I believe koena nese school kubwakende gyonse. Actually this is a program na chakire ndakete kokora every month if possible. Every school will see natural legacy ito because bono igate gutwara chipati na abantu nabange bari ready gokonya lakini mbabwa ati channel yo gokonya into tori wakora legacy for konyore benefit. It's not a profit making process. Batagete all stakeholders very willing batagete omwana mwese kasome abayiche ba partner na into togenderere every month and totokwa abantu ba Kisii County that interigo chigotiga okore mtoto achakirere.
Kwa majina naitwa Catherine Komuto Amaya. Mimi ni Guide Commissioner wa Nyanza Region na Kisii County. Leo tuna furaha sana sababu tuko hapa Kisii University. Tuko na wasichana wengi kutoka Kisii nzima from different schools ambao wamekuja kusherehekea menstrual hygiene, siku ya wasichana ya kuona damu. Na reason as to why we have started this in a very big way, it's because in Kisii County we have menstrual poverty in most of the regions back in the villages. So we really want to appreciate our partners who have worked with us.